In the world of front-end development, Angular and React are the titans. But what makes them so dominant? Today, we'll unravel the philosophies that drive these powerful frameworks. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Angular's MVC structure is a game changer. It separates application logic, UI, and data, making complex apps manageable. Let's explore how this architecture streamlines development. Data flow in Angular is seamless thanks to its robust architecture. By managing application logic efficiently, Angular ensures smooth user experiences. React's component-based architecture is revolutionary. It breaks down the UI into reusable pieces, enhancing flexibility and scalability. Let's dive into how this model works. State and props are the backbone of React. They allow components to manage data and communicate effectively, creating dynamic and interactive applications. Angular's two-way data binding synchronizes the model and view effortlessly. This approach simplifies data management but can impact performance. React, on the other hand, uses one-way data flow. This method enhances predictability and performance, making it ideal for complex applications. Performance is crucial in web development. Angular optimizes performance through efficient change detection and lazy loading. React's virtual DOM is a game changer. It minimizes direct DOM manipulation, boosting speed and efficiency in rendering updates. Angular supports large-scale applications with its structured approach. Its built-in tools and features make scaling seamless. React offers unmatched flexibility. Its ecosystem, filled with libraries and tools, allows developers to tailor solutions to specific needs. Angular boasts a strong community and extensive documentation. This support network is invaluable for developers facing challenges. React's ecosystem is vibrant and expansive. With countless libraries and tools, developers have everything they need to build robust applications. Choosing between Angular and React depends on your project needs. Angular offers structure, while React provides flexibility. Let's weigh their strengths and weaknesses. Consider your project's scale, complexity, and team expertise. By aligning these factors with the right framework, you'll set your project up for success. Recap. We explored Angular's MVC and React's component model, compared data binding, and examined performance. Each framework has unique strengths. By understanding these frameworks, you can make informed decisions. Choose wisely to enhance your development process and project outcomes. Call to action. Dive deeper into Angular and React. Experiment with both frameworks to discover which aligns best with your development goals. Join online communities, contribute to projects, and continue learning. By engaging with these frameworks, you'll enhance your skills and project success. Let's build the future of web development together. Start your journey with Angular or React today and transform your ideas into reality.